Right, in this video I'm going to show you the internal profile system from FitzBrick. I bought these. They only came out last week online, so if you want to go and get yourself some, go to brickworktools.com. I'll put it on the screen now so you can go across and check it out. I'm going to show you from the packet how easy it is to put them up and how to set them up. Right, have a look at this. Come in a bag like that. I've got two bags, so I'm going to set up in this internal corner and this internal corner. This is somebody else's section when I added down below, but someone's come and took this little section over, so I've got some left to go up here. Right, I'll start with this corner and I'll show you exactly how I do it. So this is what comes with it. You've got the leg adjuster, the common slice, the line block, which is exactly the same line block as in the externals. You got your fixing clamp. This side is a fixed screw, a fixed bolt. This side is an adjustable bolt. You want to take this one out like that, and then when I'll show you the drilling method. And then you've got these, sorry, they're profile stabilizers, and they go in the wall as you go up. But that goes on the profile first, then your common slice. Sorry, put that on first, then this from the bottom up. And then I'll show you exactly how to put it onto the wall. All you're going to need is a drill bit, perhaps a pencil, which is there, and a spirit level. First things first, so brickwork is a linear gauge going this way. You want linear gauge from half, which is the centre of that joint. So we're going to go down here to start this one. Go into the middle of the brick. Okay, lovely. Now we can set the fixing plate just like this, and you can see that pops straight into that pert there, right? But if you were, I'll show you two methods of doing this. So you can use your perps if you've got decent sized perps and they're working to linear gauge. Like so. That will now go in there like that, and that should fix in to there. What I'm going to do now is get my profile set up. So you can see here I've got the leg adjuster on the bottom, common slice or setting plate, whatever you want to call it, but it is called a common slice, and the corner block, line block. Put this into the corner there like that. Now that is set already. We're going to take this clamp and push it in to the wall like that. Take the bolt, put the bolt in. You can pull this away from the wall a little bit if you need to. And then I'm going to clamp this to the wall. And that is perfect already. So that's how easy it is to set that up. What I'm going to do now is use my my spirit level and get this plumb. So using the adjustments at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's pretty good already. Job done. How great is that? That is solid as a rock. You don't have to do anything else. I'll show you the other method of fixing this as well. So the other method would be, instead of worrying about the perps, The beauty of this is when I've got a one brick return here, I haven't really got space to go into, so I know where I want this one. I'm going to do it brick and half again. I'll put that in the bed this time. I'm going to go higher up. Chance of damaging any perps on this way, see? And then I know roughly where this is, but for argument's sake, I'll shove that right in like that. And this is showing me just there, so you can just mark it up with a pencil if you like. Play out. So yeah, that's an easier way of doing it. Send that fully in, then turn it down. Doing this on the fly, and then but none of you are really going to get a tape out to do this. If you use your perps as a guide, either below or above, it makes no odds. But this is going to be the fastest way of fixing it in. And now you can see that is absolutely bang on. Right? So you've got no worries, it's bang on. Do that first, then set up your profile exactly the same as this and fix it the same way as that. I hope this helps. I'll set the line up now just so you can see. Get that into there, sorry. Top clamp in. Make sure this is wound up. Hold it down. Perfect. Got the hole there. That slid in beautifully. Don't even need to do anything else with that. Get this just close. Right, now let's check it for plumb, level. And that is spot on, really. Very good. Not so good. The bottom's got to come out a mile, so I'm going to loosen that off a touch.
Hey mate, sorry I've not got time to message you, I'm working in fucking Ellsby. You said it was job in Ellsby, yeah? Just doing a couple of lifts, like we've got a lift in the base out, so I'm doing lift east, starting base out, going over there, doing something with it.
And that's it. That's good. Absolutely rock solid. There you go. Two set up, whack the lines on them. Look at this little section behind me. It's a little porch, internal porch. The only problem I've got is I've only bought two. And I wish I had four. Because look, 1, 2. So on the other sides I'm going to have to build a couple of corners now. But that's bang on. And I'll show you the little profile adjusters as I go up. So there we are, set up. I'll put one course down. Running in this next course now. Just watch what we're doing. I know it's not the best view that you've got there from behind me. Right there. Try and let you see. But the setting up is done. And now it's just lifting the corner blocks every single line block every time. It's absolutely beautiful. Works so well. no worries. So that's what you got. Internal FitzBrick Profile System. Get yours today. As we say, like a pig in the mire. Like a pig in the mire. Wonderful job. Absolutely wonderful. Just a little bit of a tight job there, really. And these are absolutely sound joints below. However, that's a little bit tighter up here for some reason. Beautiful being able to get the snot from behind the profile of it. It's a really good feature.